Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed the question answers of poem number 3 and 4. Today I'll be discussing the question answers of chapter number 5 along with the poem. Chapter number 5 was a very interesting chapter. The chapter said about caracals and pistol shrimp, दो ऐसे एनिमल जिनके नाम अब तक हमें नहीं पता थे, लेकिन अभी आफ्टर लर्निंग दिस चैप्टर वी नो what are the strength of caracals, what are they, when we're like why old human cultures, what are the plus points that they have, where do they live, what do they eat. Same pistol shrimps also we know कि pistol shrimp has have their claws, right? इससे वो टक टक करके आवाज़ करती है और इस आवाज़ के कारण दे हंट द फिश, लाइक उस आवाज़ से ऐसा एक आवाज़ निकलता है दैट फिश को सुन कर देता है, दे गेट ब्लैंक एंड इन द मीन वाइल व्हेन दे आर ब्लैंक द श्रिम्प catches the fish. That is the plus point, right? Today we will be discussing the question answers of chapter number 5. There are many question answers. These question answers are a bit lengthy, so make sure that you are writing. Let's do one thing. एक चीज करती हूँ, आज आपको खाली पोएम चैप्टर नंबर 5 के ही आंसर्स भेजती हूँ, राइट? सो दैट टुमारो you can write the answers of poem number 5. Today we will just do the question answers of chapter number 5, that is vibrant wildlife. चलिए, what makes caracals natural athletes? Natural athletes कहते हैं कैसे होते हैं? See, what are athletes? Athletes are the person whose body is strong. Along with that, they have strong legs, so that their running is fast, right? So caracals natural athletes कैसे हैं? Because उनके जो legs हैं, they are very strong, as you can see in the chapter, that they have strong legs. They can run very fast, so they are known as natural. They are considered as natural athletes. Why were caracals considered superstars by the ancient Egyptians and Chinese emperors? Now, Egypt dynasty and Chinese emperor thought that these caracals were precious, so they used to give caracals as token of gift, or they used to protect their throne by the caracals, by the use of caracals, right? So that makes caracals very important in ancient Egyptian and Chinese people. How does a pistol shrimp use its claw? I told you, how does pistol shrimp use its claw? It uses its claw by snapping it. It uses as to communicate also and to hunt also. शिकार करने के लिए भी इसको यूज करते हैं और कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए भी अपने क्लॉज यूज करते हैं, यूजिंग इट फॉर both the purposes. Why are pistol shrimp called bite-sized bombs? Why are they called bite-sized bombs? Because they are producing a sound. They are producing an explosion in the water. अपने इस claws से they are producing an explosion in the water that makes the fish stun. वो blank हो जाती है पूरी, right? That is why they are known this animal, that is pistol shrimp. They are known as bite-sized bomb. Bite-sized माने small-sized bomb. The living habitats for caracals and pistol shrimps are disappearing day by day. State any two reasons for the disappearance. I told you what are the reasons of disappearing of these animals. एक warming, second pollution, right? We are industries इतनी बढ़ रही है. We are carry forwarding our cities into the forest. We are cutting the forest. We are cutting the trees. अगर छोटे छोटे तालाब है तो उसको बंद करके उसके ऊपर हम घर बनाते हैं. So we are actually what you can say damaging their habitat, right? So these are the reasons that they are not seen much in today's life. Briefly describe the hunting style of pistol shrimp and caracal. Now this is a long answer and I know it's long, but then to also you have to write. There are two questions in it. एक आपको hunting style दिखानी है pistol shrimp की, एक आपको hunting style दिखानी है caracals की. They both are different from each other. They have different way of approaching, different way of hunting. So बावजूद उसके that it is going to be a long answer, you have to write. Clear? So these were the question answers. These were the question answers of chapter number 5. Today I'll be sending the PDF of only this chapter number 5, so that आप आराम से chapter number 5 के question answers लिख सकें. Alright? चलिए, let us read once this chapter, because this chapter is a bit difficult one. Right? अगर pronunciation, I've got calls regarding saying that pronunciation नहीं आते हैं, so please open page number 70 and read with me once. Okay? चलिए. Caracals are medium-sized cats found in forests and grasslands of Asia and Africa. They have long and strong legs, a small face, long plumed ears and big teeth. They are shy and secretive animals that are hard to track. Expert hunters. Now this is a quality. Caracals eat rodents. Rodents माने छोटे एनिमल जो बड़ों में रहते हैं, जैसे खरगोश हो गया, चूहे हो गए, वो. Caracals eat rodents and small birds. They mainly hunt at night and during evening when birds are returning home. Caracals are such good hunters that people in ancient Egypt used them for hunting other animals. Now, what are these strengths? Caracals are agile. What is agile? Agile is they are able to move very quickly. They are very swift. Caracals are agile and strong animals. They can even take on enemies 3 times their size. They can climb trees with ease using this long and strong legs, run fast or for short durations, and sometimes hide and wait to catch the prey. Now, natural athlete. There was a question, why are they natural athlete, or why are they called natural athletes? They are really good jumpers. They can easily jump as high as 10 feet. They lie in wait under trees during evening when birds return to their nests. When a bird is low enough, the caracal thrusts itself. Thrust is jump करता है, एक spark के साथ आगे की तरफ push करता है. Thrust itself in the air with its powerful hind legs. Hind legs are the back legs. Right? Mid-air, it uses its tail to make fine adjustments and its paws to catch a bird mid-flight. Amazingly, they can change their direction mid-air and even after that they land on their feet. Now, why are they called superstars? Caracals were important to many ancient cultures. The Egyptians believed that caracals guarded the tombs of their kings. Chinese emperor considered them precious animals and often sent them as gifts. They were exchanged for gold and silver. Now, vanishing homes. Caracals are territorial animals. Territorial माना dependent होते किसी चीज के ऊपर. Territorial animals and need large tracts of land to hunt and live on. Sadly, their homes are being destroyed due to expansion of cities and farmlands. We must play our part to help save their homes. Right? This is all about caracals. Now, the next page, pistol shrimp. The pistol shrimp are peculiar animals found in fresh and salt water throughout the world. They make their home in coral reefs and sea plants. They are known for their unusual hunting method. Clophones. They have 2 claws, as you can see, they have 2 claws. A small pincer and enormous माने बहुत सारे, enormous pistol-like snapper that provides them their name. Since they cannot speak, pistol shrimps use their claws to talk with other shrimps. They snap their claws to make sounds to chat with their friends. Their claws are actually multi-purpose tools. Multi-purpose, something which has many ways of working, right? Multi-purpose माने अलग अलग जगह पे use हो सके. As they are also used for hunting, right? For talking also they use these claws, and for hunting also. Pistol claws. Pistol shrimps happily eat small fish. They hunt them using a method used by no other animal. Their claws work like small pistols and they kill fish without even touching them. Once a fish is nearby, a shrimp snaps its claws so loudly that it makes a small explosion in the water. The explosion stuns the fish so that the shrimp can catch it. I explained this whole procedure, right? It is with using that claws, it makes a sound, and that sound stuns the fish. Meanwhile, the pistol shrimp catches its prey. Bite-sized bombs. Although small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, pistol shrimps are louder than most of the animals. They are even louder than whales. Their snaps are so loud and hot that they even make a flash like a gun. जब ये आवाज करते हैं तो थोड़ी सी लाइटनिंग भी होती है, एक फ्लैश जैसा होता है, लाइटनिंग जैसा हो जाता है in the water itself. They even disrupt sonar and underwater communication from ships and submarines. They are actually able to fluctuate the waves which are used for communication in submarines and ships. Chale, friendly neighbors. Pistol shrimps live in burrows which they share with goby fish. Very important part. They live with a fish named goby fish. The shrimp builds and takes care of the burrow while the fish protects the burrow and the shrimp from enemies, right? जब आप साथ में रहते हैं, you have to work parallel. So shrimp क्या करता है? It takes care of the burrow and builds it, and in return the fish, what it does, it protects the burrow and shrimps from the enemies. Enemies माने बड़ी fishes. The shrimp sometimes uses its antenna to talk with the fish. Sometimes they use this antenna to talk with the fish. Right? Chaliye, last para. Disappearing homes. The pistol shrimps live in or near coral reefs, but due to overfishing, water pollution, and global warming, coral reefs are dying all around the world. As the reefs disappear, so will this magnificent creature. Magnificent is different, or you can say here impressive. We must make every possible effort to reverse the damage made to the natural world if we want such beautiful creature to flourish. माने हमें एनवायरमेंट को सर्वाइव करवाने के लिए या इन एनिमल्स को सर्वाइव करवाने के लिए वी नीड टू रिड्यूस आवर एक्टिविटीज टू make space for this animals to live around. Clear? So this was chapter number 5. It says about caracal and pistol shrimp. Right? I read the chapter because I got calls from parents saying that the pronunciations are difficult. तो आप क्या करेंगे? Whatever words which you don't know, please underline it. In case आपको कोई words pronunciation नहीं आता है, let me know. I'll be telling you the pronunciation. Or if you have Google app, you can type that particular word. Suppose I don't know what is this called, EXPLOSION, for example. So what I'll do is I'll write this word Google में and I'll write how to pronounce EXPLOSION. Right? When you search it, you will get an audio message, recorded message, and once you will play it, explosion, whatever the pronunciation of that word would be, वो आपको आ जाएगा. Right? चलिए, so here this is end of chapter number 5. I'll be sending the PDF of answer key. Don't forget to copy. Tomorrow we'll discuss about poem number 5. Clear? After that we'll be starting with the revision portion in worksheet. Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care. Don't forget to do the homework. Okay? Chaliye. Take care. Bye bye.